Today I'll show how we build the $1 M Princess F50 yacht from glass and teak. Don't forget to subscribe.
Keep pulling it tight around the curve. Okay, I've got the tape sealed right here. Make sure that's smooth.
Secure the blue line first, then the red. Watch the clearance on the port side.
Got it. Brackets are tight.
Hold it steady. Got it. Need another screw over here.
Alignment is perfect. Start the sealing process now.
Port side team, move in and check the clamps.
Engaging sealant guns on section 4.
To the best vacation ever.
Cheers to that, darling.
And that is the incredible engineering, craftsmanship, and passion it takes to build a $1 million masterpiece.
If you love discovering how this floating palace was made, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now for more incredible mega factory tours.